So I've just come down for a run to start the day, and I found a way to sort of like sneak into like a closed off beach. But I must say I'm kind of disappointed considering it's like a beach that you kind of have to pay to be at a resort to come to. I mean, it's a beach, it's nice, but I guess I've just seen many more beaches that are much better than this, and you don't pay anything to, you know, to be able to access them. But I found a wee track that I could run down from off the road to get in. So yeah, it's not too bad. There's a few people down here, and I'm gonna run back, have some breakfast. The place I'm staying at is actually going to be cooking me a vegan breakfast this morning, so I'm really looking forward to that. And it looks like we will be hiring a scooter today and driving around a bit of the island. There's a few things that Scott really wants to do while we're here, and I'll be taking you along with us, and some pretty fun things too, so you won't be disappointed. To the beach, I think it's called Salangong, excuse me if I pronounced that wrong, and there's an area there where you can jump off almost like a cliff into the ocean. We just stopped in at a church. We got told a story about a saint that they have like a statue of encased in their church. Yeah, I'll leave some information in the description box down below. I'm not a person of religion, but we just thought it'd be cool to go check it out. So we've come down to the beach and the place where the cliff jumping is. It's 25 pesos each to enter in, and then it's an extra 20 pesos to park your vehicle, because this is basically right next to a resort. Which I guess the upside is that there's like bathrooms. The downside is that of course it's a very popular place. On a mission to find Cangbangag Falls, and this has been probably the hardest falls to find so far. We've gotten lost a few times and the map is wrong, so we think we found the right way. Some locals come out and gave us fried bananas, so we're gonna bring them back to plate when we're finished. So not many people come to these falls. We don't even know what they look like, and we were gonna go to a different set of falls, but I'd spelt the wrong one or the different one or whatever in the search engine. My best tip would be to go to the butterfly sanctuary in Siquijor. There's a really good guy that runs a really good sanctuary here, and he would be able to guide you here if you were having trouble finding it, or you don't want to get lost or whatever. That would be your best bet, and he even has someone that, or himself, that he will guide you down here. We've just managed to just ask a few locals and they directed us down here. So we're at the butterfly sanctuary in Siquijor, and the guy that runs the place here, he is apparently the butterfly expert in the Philippines, and he has helped set up many of the other butterfly sanctuaries in the southern Philippines as well. And we were told that he breeds a lot of them and then releases a lot of them into the wild, and we gave them 100 pesos each, excuse the rooster, to help him with the sanctuary, and it's kind of like an entrance fee as well.